Hi, how are you doing? Welcome to Study Clips. In this video, we're going to learn about pronouns. These are words that we use to replace nouns in a sentence. Pronouns make our sentences smoother and less repetitive. Let's dive into the different types of pronouns. First, we have personal pronouns, which refer to specific people or things. We have two kinds of personal pronouns: subject pronouns and object pronouns. Next are possessive pronouns. These pronouns show ownership or possession of something. Then, we have reflexive pronouns. These pronouns refer back to the subject of the sentence. After that, we have demonstrative pronouns. These pronouns point to specific things or people. Interrogative pronouns. These pronouns are used to ask questions. Relative pronouns. These pronouns introduce a clause that gives more information about a noun. Finally, indefinite pronouns. These pronouns refer to people or things without specifying exactly who or what. That's it on pronouns. Remember, pronouns help make our sentences clearer and less repetitive. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using them like a pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and stay tuned to Study Clips. Happy learning!